So I'm going to give you a little bit of assistance on your sharpening skills today. So on the first one, go ahead and fill in the numbers onto the boxes and go ahead and do your multiplication. Then go back to the original problem and underline the digits after your decimal. The first number has a 4 after the decimal, that's one place. And the second number has a 2 after the decimal, that's 2 decimal places. That means in your answer you'd need to underline 1, 2 places, and the decimal would go right there. Now pause the video and work out the next problem. Now on the next one, make sure you count by your 5s. And you're going to divide like you normally do, but when you're done, the decimal is going to go straight up into your answer right there. So pause the video and get ready for the next one. Okay, on the third problem, turn your bracket into a rainbow, your parentheses into rainbows as well. So now we need to number it. We would do the inside parentheses first, and there's 2 of them, so we'd number them left to right, and then the middle. And then finally, our last step is going to be to multiply by that 41 that's on the outside, so that's going to be our 4th step. Okay, so step 1, line it up carefully and solve it. Now, I'm going to make you do most of it, but I will tell you on the end you're going to have a 0.0. So when you're done, you're going to knock off the decimal and the 0. So you're going to get this answer here. Okay. Then going on to step 2, you're going to do 12 times 0.5. So you're going to multiply. You will be getting a 0 here. When you're done multiplying, okay, so 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 1 plus that number. Okay, so that would actually give you 6. You've got 1 decimal place, so it's going to be 6.0. So once again, you knock off the decimal and the 0. So now these answers will not have zeros. So now you're going to take answers 1 and 2, those 2 answers, and you're going to divide them. And you should get a single digit number, no decimal. Then finally, you're going to multiply 41 by that answer that you just got, by that single digit, and that should give you your final answer. Now our last problem here, we put down the 19. We look at the other number and count the digits after the decimal. It has 3, so we're going to put 0.000. It needs 3 zeros, and we're going to line it up. Okay, so pause the video as needed to solve these problems.